why. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my faith in it.
Good morning, friends. Me and Blake are home today. It has been an awful February. Since the last video, you guys saw that Olivia and Reese were sick. They're better. Colin and I got it. Colin got it really bad. He had a really bad chest infection. He had bronchitis and he was not doing well. You could probably tell from the way I sound, mine was viral. So Colin and I both got puffers because I just had wheezing, no fever. And it was actually quite funny. Colin and I, we would like laugh and then we'd both go into a wheezing fit. It was pathetic, but funny at the same time. So today is Tuesday. The girls were off yesterday because it was a holiday here in Ontario, Canada. It was family day. I just took Blake to the walk-in clinic because she's had a 3-day fever. So she's the last one to get hit, but she's hit. So other two are at school. Colin's back to work. I'm not 100%, but I feel better today than I have in a while. And Blake, the doctor said that Blake's is viral. So if her fever doesn't go away by Thursday or Friday, then to take her back into the doctor. So yes, February has sucked. So I got my Timmy's coffee and I need to clean up my house, and I'm gonna show you how awful it looks because we've just been home and it's actually really mild out today. But that means that there's a lot of mud. So we're tracking a lot of mud in the house because we don't have a proper front entrance right now. Did I even show you guys that we're coming? This is our front entrance right now. That door, because the addition's being done on our usual front entrance. So we're just tracking in a lot of mud, and I was out of commission the last couple days, so I need to catch up on putting clothes away, just cleaning up. So I am gonna do vlog style and we'll see where we go from here. And I'm gonna drink my coffee. Have improved, I just need Blake to improve. And then we can go and I can see people and leave the house. I had a display up for the girls for Valentine's Day, so I gotta take that down. Just like stuff on the counter. The kitchen's not actually too bad. Bobby's gotta pee. You gotta go pee. She is honestly the best dog. Like if I could clone her, I would. There you go. There's always stuff on the table, so that's fine. We've got some mud tracked in here, so I need to vacuum. Blake's pitiful on the couch. This needs a shampoo. I have laundry to do, so let's go. So I'll show you look at how terrible my nails are right now. Like they're grown out so much. I get them done on Friday and I cannot wait.
It's not a cute look getting kicked out of the bar when you're no longer 19. Still acting like a child, feeling like nobody gets it. I always start these fights, don't hate my guts right now, 'cause I'm still figuring it out. You're the silver lining
got the house cleaned up to like a reasonable level. I'm gonna stop now because I can tell I'm not 100% and I'm getting really tired. I was gonna bake something, but I'm like, I should probably just relax now. I am gonna have some lunch. I'm just glad that I got the house cleaned up, and I'm just gonna chill the rest of the day. It is gorgeous outside. We still have quite a bit of snow, but it's all melting, but the sun is out and it's really pretty. So yeah, I'm just gonna make a salad for myself. Okay, I'm finished my lunch and now I have to film my purse videos for the day because I have to do 2 a day for Emmafy, the purse company. But I wanted to show you guys these new bags that came in. I am obsessed with the colors, like how they look and how they perform and everything, so let me show you. Okay, so first they launched these adorable toiletry bags. These are the Cloud puffer bags, they're called. I love this blue, like it's so pretty for fall, or for spring, not for fall. Can you tell I'm still not thinking straight? They're so pretty for fall and they have like a ton of compartments. So I'm just gonna do a video on that one. It also comes in beige and like they fold open. There's like 2 zipper compartments here, one here and one here. And then they have it in black. They have other colors too, but like they're so cute. And then I love this beige one, is my absolute favorite. So this is their large cloud, it's called their large cloud tote puffer bag. And this is great because I have other tote bags, but they don't have zippers. So when I'm driving around in the car, everything just falls everywhere. And this has like a zipper compartment here. You can put stuff here. It's got 2 spots for water bottles. It has a spot for my laptop. So I would use this like if we're going to the cottage overnight. This is like a great overnight bag. It's a great, like I'm going to use this a lot in the summer. I'd like to go to the beach. It's just a really cute bag, and it comes in this pink color here as well, which I thought was so pretty for spring. So they have the pink and they have other colors too, and then they have a slightly smaller version. So like if you wanted this to be like a toiletry bag instead of these ones, or you could use both, but I love these ones, and the material's waterproof, so they're really good. Anyways, I'm not trying to sell it to you. I'm just excited. I just wanted to show you guys because I love them. And I'll leave my link down below to where you can get them. They're usually buy one, get one free, like all the time. So it's a really good deal. But I'll put that down below. But anyways, I got to film my purse videos. Blakey's only able to watch TV right now, so that's what she's doing. So I'm going to film my purse videos, and then it's almost time to get the other 2 stickers from school. And then I want to share with you our sausage pasta. I think I've shared it in the past, but it is like the dinner that I make when I don't know what to cook, but it's so good and everybody in the family loves it. So I'll do that in a second. I gotta film my purse videos. Okay, so we're back from picking up the girls. I did not take my camera because I have the dog. I knew I would be carrying backpacks home. And yeah, I'm so tired now. But it was really nice to get outside. It's beautiful. It's +4, which is crazy for February. But we're gonna make some sausage pasta now. Super easy to make, and everybody loves it. So I've just got some onion and garlic in the pan. I'm just going to get these cooking for a couple minutes, and then we're gonna add our sausage once this is nice and brown. Okay, so now I have some sausage from Costco, and I used to cut it, but I actually want to squeeze the sausage meat out of the casing, and we're gonna fry this up with the garlic and the onions. So now we're just gonna break up the sausage, and then once the sausage is cooked, we're gonna add our other ingredients, but we just want to make sure this is cooked all the way through and nice and brown. Okay, so the sausage has been cooking in the chicken broth, so I'm gonna add some organic Costco tomato sauce to that. So we're gonna add in the tomato sauce and give that a good mix. Then we're gonna add some heavy cream. And I'm sorry, but I just eyeball it. So I would say that was like half a cup. Then we're gonna add some Parmesan cheese. I usually like the fresh parm, but my husband did grocery shopping and he bought this parm, which I do not like, but that's okay. No, not for pasta, babe. Normal noodles, honey.
The tube ones. New ones.
Kids have requested peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, so I gotta make that now, even though we just had bath and did everything. I'm tired.